Hey everyone, today I'm showing you this Maestri Milk Frother. I've been loving this for my lattes in the morning. I actually just made this green tea matcha. I'm gonna turn this into a latte using this milk frother, so let me show you how I use it. First of all, I love how big this is. It can hold a ton of milk. You can see the temperature right here, and then there's 3 froth options. So there's a low milk froth, medium milk froth, and a rich milk froth, which is what I like. I like the thick milk. Okay, so you just take the lid off, and then I'm taking the whisk and just popping it in. There's a magnet at the bottom, so it just like clicks right in. I just poured my milk in. You can use any milk you want. You just turn it on, so it's frothing the milk right now. I have it on the higher setting, so I'll show you what it looks like. Here is the froth done. It's super foamy. I'm just stirring it around. It tastes so good. So let me pour it in. And it makes the perfect matcha latte every time with that foam on top.